In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry for cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online. Managing your finances effectively in QuickBooks is essential for gaining clarity over your business expenses and understanding your profitability. Let's dive in and explore how you can make this happen effortlessly. First, you'll need to create a new journal entry. To get started, from your QuickBooks dashboard, locate the plus New button at the top of your navigation bar. It's hard to miss as it's your gateway to a variety of financial entries. Once you've clicked that, a menu will appear. You're going to choose Journal Entry, which you will find under the Other category. This is your starting point for recording various transactions, including the cost of goods sold. Once you've accessed the journal entry form, your next task is to debit your cost of goods sold. On the first line, use the drop-down menu in the Account section and select Cost of Goods Sold. This is the account where you'll record the direct costs attributable to the production of the goods sold by your business. Now, in the debit column adjoining your selected account, enter the total cost for the goods sold. It's critical here to ensure that the amount you input reflects the exact cost of the goods you've sold, as this will impact the accuracy of your financial statements. Moving forward, let's focus on the credit aspect of this transaction. On the following line, select Inventory Asset from the Account dropdown. By doing this, you're effectively reducing the value of your inventory asset by the cost of the goods sold, which is important for maintaining accurate balance sheet records. In the Credit column next to the inventory asset, input the same amount you entered as a debit. Ensuring these amounts are identical is crucial because it reflects the correct movement of inventory from your books and keeps your records balanced. Before you save this entry, take a moment to review everything. Double-check that your debits match your credits. This ensures that your entries are balanced and avoids issues with your financial statements later on. It's always a good idea to double-check for typos or errors at this point. Once you're satisfied everything is accurate, go ahead and click on the Save button. This final step records your transaction and updates your financial data. And there you have it. A straightforward yet detailed guide on creating a journal entry for cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online. This process will help you maintain accurate financial records, giving you valuable insights into your business's cost efficiency and sustainability.